country of Romania is the subject of our Drone Video of the Week, episode 39 winner. Congratulations to Nelstill for his film, Discover Romania, Visit Niemt County, which takes home the $250 weekly prize. Drone pilot George Ion said he filmed this footage in October of this year as part of a project to promote the Niemt region of Romania. George said that while Niemt is not as well known as other areas of Romania, he believes it is one of the most beautiful regions of the country. George used the DJI Phantom 4 Pro version 2.0 in addition to several ground cameras to capture this beautiful footage. Featured in the nearly 5-minute video are lakes, monasteries, mountains, and more. Congratulations again to George for your Drone Video of the Week win. And everyone else, keep uploading your videos for your chance at the $250 weekly prize.